What's your name?
My name's Deborah, and we are making a science
Experiment. Okay, very good. So what you need for your science experiment, what do you need?
milk.
What's that?
Put in
Milk?
and dishwasher
Dish
soap.
soap?
And to put in food coloring.
Food coloring. You don't get to grab it yet. I haven't told you how to do it yet, have I? You also will need some Q-tips. Put the dish soap into a little container. Pour some milk into the containers. Now we put some milk in the containers, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to take our food coloring and we're going to put drops wherever we want to in our milk, okay?
Okay.
One drop at a time, not a lot.
How to do it?
Stop. Okay, remember you'll put other colors in there too. That's enough. Very good.
Now we have
Mommy's turn. I'm going to put 1, 2, 3. This one's mine.
to be my turn. My turn. Mommy, this one.
This is blue.
And then it's time to put yellow
Okay,
in.
now it's Deborah's turn.
My turn. Thank you. Can we do yellow next?
Okay, now it's Mommy's turn. This one's mine.
And then it's time to do yellow and green.
Yep. We're putting yellow in there now.
Wait, it's orange. It looks like orange, but it's yellow.
Yep. Deborah's turn.
It's my turn.
Mommy's turn. That's pretty good. Last, we're going to do green.
It looks green.
Okay, give it to Deborah.
Wait,
It's Deborah's turn.
Okay, Deborah. Wow, hers is turning so pretty.
Mm-hmm. And this one's mine.
Now do we put dishwasher soap?
Wait a minute.
No.
Okay, you're going to get a Q-tip with Dawn dish soap. And you're going to put it... No, it's Esther's turn first and then Deborah's. I think Deborah already tried it when I wasn't looking. I can't see, baby. Put it in the water. Ooh. Now try to put it in another spot of the water. Okay, get some more soap, baby. Okay, let's get a different Q-tip, baby girl.
It's my turn. It's my turn.
Let's let Esther do it a couple times and then you get a turn, sweetheart. Take your turn.
This is fun to do. This.
Okay, wow.
Now it's done. Now I'm gonna do a little more.
Okay, now Deborah's turn.
Can I still do it somewhere?
Yeah, you can keep doing it.
Keep doing it.
Deborah, just do yours because I'm going to do mine, okay? Wow.
Oh,
Okay.
it's getting small. Can I stir it
cool.
like this?
Yeah, you can
Mommy,
stir it.
stir.
Yeah.
Oh, I think I put it too much green because it looks like green.
Green. Well, blue and yellow mixed together makes green.
So it's green.
Yeah.
It looks like
Oh, you're mixing it?
it
Oh,
looks
that's
like
so
a
cool.
broccoli soup.
A broccoli soup. You're not wrong. That's true. Can you pass the soap my direction so I can reach it, please?
Of course. Here.
No, I want the soap.
Can I help you,
Please.
Deborah? Of course.
Thank you, love.
Can
My
I help
turn with
you?
mine. Watch mine.
Can I help you?
Watch mine. See what happens.
Whoa. What?
No, I'm going to do mine. I'm going to do a little bitty drops in different spots and see what happens.
Can I help you, Deborah? Of course.
Okay, I'm going to do little drippy drops in different spots.
Mommy!
Do you like mine? Look, I've got a rainbow going in my...
It turns
Look at my
yellow!
rainbow.
Mommy, it turns yellow!
Yeah.
No, it's light green, I think. Well, mine's all... I love this. Can we do this tomorrow
Sure,
again?
why not?
Can I help you too? This is so fun.
No, leave mine alone. You have yours. This is mine. You do yours.
Yeah.
I want to do my own. That's why we each have one. Oh, stop. I want to do mine.
Whoa.
You guys are choosing to mix yours up. I'm choosing to do a different kind of experiment. I'm dripping in different spots.
Mommy, look.
Mine's turning green too.
Yours is
Don't mix mine all up because I want to do mine how I want to do it.
Wow.
Okay, I'm going to try something different.
Try something
I'm going to try dripping down. Stop. It's my experiment. You have your own.
Oh my goodness. We're going to just do a little bit because Deborah needs...
I can get more soap for you. I want to try this. Very interesting. It looks black, huh?
Yeah, it's black.
Don't touch mine. Don't touch mine. I want to see mine. Baby, you have your own love.
I'm going to go get
Wow, that looks cool. You can get more soap. Here. There's more soap for you guys.
Can I put
That looks like a painting.
painting?
Mm-hmm.
Let's put some more soap.
Do you guys want to put some more drops of food coloring in yours? Or just more soap?
Mine just turned all green.
Okay, I want to put some more food coloring in yours. Okay, we put blue and red in these two, and now they're going to put some soap in.
I'm going to just
You're just going to drip it?
Whoa.
Okay. Oh, Deborah's, yours is looking really super cool. You're just mixing it around.
I want to mix it.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
So pretty.
I like it.
Oh.
Cool.
This very soap was turning
I'm
brown.
going to put a little bit more soap in mine. See what happens.
I need some more color. Can I put a little more red in mine? Can I put a little more red in mine?
Yeah, you can put more red.
Okay, I'm going to go get the red.
Can I have some more red for mine too?
Okay. Well, first I'm going to get red. How do I open it?
Yours looks like mud, Deborah. You made mud. Can I have some red, please? Can I have some red, please?
Of course. No. And I need a little more blue anyway. I need some more blue too, so I can make something. Can I have some?
Yes.
Yay. Because I need a lot of red and a lot of blue.
Wow, mine looks cool.
Yours looks cool.
I think I want some yellow in mine.
I want yellow in mine. I want to get some yellow.
Let's close it though, baby. You put some blue. Let me see yours,
got
baby.
yellow.
Your shadow makes it so I
Mommy, I
can't
got
see yours at all.
yellow.
Okay, it's just really dark.
So my look. Next, I can put green.
Oh, I
Can I
see.
put yellow too?
You can put whatever you want, baby.
Deborah, I need some green.
Here you go. Here's some yellow if you want it.
Gummies.
Mine's looking cool.
I think it's gonna look so pretty.
You think so?
Yeah.
Cool.
Deborah, now it's my turn. Can I have some green? Here. You can have the yellow. Thanks. But, I'm gonna do some drops and see what's happening.
Oh, that looks really cool. Look at mine. It has a swirl in it.
Wow.
Wow. Okay, guys, you have enough coloring. That's
Mommy,
enough.
I need
No
some
more,
blue.
no more coloring at all. Okay, that's enough food color. You guys have like the whole bottle in there. Okay, that's enough.
Whoa.
Bless you, love.
That looks so cool.
Okay, just put soap in there. You guys have plenty of coloring.
Whoa. So cool.
I hear you. I hear you.
Pretty.
It's okay. It'll be another show in a second. Yeah. Very cool, Deborah. I like your experiment.
You like yours?
I like yours too, Esther.
I mean, mine is all green.
Yeah.
Deborah, yours looks
I'm gonna
like
put a little bit more soap.
mine
in
is
mine.
just green. Why does it be green still? Mine, can you put it inside then mine?
Pour the soap in yours. Okay. Wait. Let me do it. Wait. Let me do it.
Can I have some? Can I have some too?
Yeah. We're making sludge, I think. I think our experiment's pretty much all done.
No, it's not.
It's not done yet?
I need a little more soap.
I'm gonna put a tiny bit.
I need some more soap. I need some more soap.
That's cool to see.
No, I'm going to do it.
You guys have plenty of coloring in
I
yours.
want to do.
My love, chill out.
Hey,
Take turns.
I need some too.
Take turns.
Yes,
Pass to your
Mommy.
sister. No, this is my experiment, not yours. Yours, we each have our own experiment.
It's my turn. I need a little more soap.
I think I'm done. I like how mine turned out. Pretty cool.
You're done.
And you guys are done too. All right, let's go.
Thanks for watching our science experiment.